Hess was purple with rage. He opened the car door and told Mag menacingly, "I'm gonna whip you for that girl." Mag's eyes went wide with surprise. She'd never seen Hess like this before and backed away in fear. Turning, she began to run back toward Earl and hid behind his back. "Please, please, don't let him whip me," Mag said in a shaky voice. Still holding his cigarette between two fingers, Earl took a long draw and exhaled the smoke into the air. "Oh, he not gonna whip you or nobody," Earl replied. He pressed Mag toward Letitia and Niece and Willie, who watched the scene with wide-eyed fascination. Earl wasn't afraid. He was 10 years younger than Hessig and in much better shape. He strolled back toward his car, and Hess reached for his glove box, withdrew a pistol from the inside, rose from the car, and started walking towards Earl. "Ain't no sumbitch gonna run over me," Hess said and raised the pistol in the air.